I don't understand how I'm gonna do this. These are my glasses, and for 30 days they will be my financial advisor. Yes, I believe my spirit guides are communicating through them. Can they help me manifest 10,000 euros in 30 days? Let's find out. I am quite nervous to do this. 2 reasons: feeling stupid, putting this out there, and that it don't work, that it's just nonsense, that there is no one there, I'm fooling myself, like critics would say. I will, however, do it. Being guided with these glasses has led me to so much cool stuff, and it works, in my view, 80-90%. So I will try to get their help to manifest and help me 10,000 euros in 30 days using this thing. Show you the problem. This is my car, and it's nice enough, but it's really too small. You know, sleeping back here. I can't even film here, right? This is what scarcity looks like. My goal is a camper van for 10,000 euros. Maybe something like this. So let's do this. My intention is that I am being guided by my helpers to receive 10,000 euros in 1 month. Thank you. That's the speak up method that I use for everything. You can look at it down below in the description if you want to. So here's what's gonna happen. They can either guide me to a person, like a healer, you know, healing money blocks or something like that, or they can take me to a place. I don't know what kind of place, but they seem to enjoy guiding me physically in a city. So I will find a place on the map and we'll go there if they suggest that. Or it might be what I call a pop-in. A pop-in is an idea you get when you're not thinking about money. You suddenly get an idea, and I think that's them guiding us, right? And this one, I don't believe this will happen. The lottery. Will they help me win the lottery, I wonder? Or betting on horses, or you know, something like that. And the last option is business. Some kind of business idea that could make 10,000 euros in 30 days. I will now use my glasses on this board, and they will pick, if they want to, the first thing we're gonna do. Well, I'm gonna do, and yeah, let me tell you also that if this works, maybe this can be helpful for you too. When my glasses swing like this, well, it's gonna be this way. When I go back and forth like that, it's a yes, and when they go sideways like that, it's a no. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay? So do you have a recommendation when it comes to 1, 2, 3, or 5? That's a big yes. Is it let me stand here. Is it 1? Yes. Is it 2? No. Is it 3? No. 4? No. 5? No. So it's 1. So that's a person then. So I will ask, is that person a healer? That's a yes. Is the healer you're talking about either Bree or Jonas? That's a no. That's 2 healers I know. Do I know of this person? Do I know this person's name? Yes. Is it me? No, really, is it? Well, everyone is one, but well, what I did forget now was to ask if there's something else on top, in addition to those 5 things. And I pointed to a person, said it was me. I didn't ask to work on myself, did I? And my own money blocks. So maybe that's why they went for a person. So is the idea here for me to work on myself? Yes. That's a yes. Do you need me to ask you if you want a 6th alternative? No? Okay. So it's me. Is it visualizing? No. Is it meditating? Yes. Is it Jay's the throne method? No. I'm gonna ask them for a pop-in when it comes to how I can work with myself on this. My intention, guys, is that I'm experiencing a pop-in, an idea when it comes to how I can work on myself to manifest 10,000 euros. So ask for this in the best interest of all. Thank you.